Since then, humans have been using materials that will help them to get through the day. Our Asian ancestors have used tools such as spears to help them catch animals to convert into food. As time progresses, the materials that humans use to develop improve in order to adapt to the current situation in the world. Women use products such as cosmetics to make themselves look good. But these products may not be beneficial to the environment that we live in. People are unaware that they use a product that were tested on animals. Animals, on the other hand, suffer from these tests and experiments, inhumanity and cruelty from just by making the animals a test subject. Before we go deeper, let us know what is animal welfare and the benefits of using animal welfare-friendly products in different aspects.
What is animal welfare? Animal welfare refers to the state of the animal. The treatment that an animal receives is covered by other terms such as animal care, animal husbandry, and humane treatment. Protecting an animal's welfare means providing for its physical and mental need. Protecting an animal's welfare means providing for its physical and mental needs. This is prevention and veterinary treatment, appropriate shelter, management, nutrition, humane handling, and humane slaughter are all required for good animal welfare. And here in our country, the RA 8485 or an act to promote animal welfare in the Philippines, otherwise known as the Animal Welfare Act of 1998, Section 1, Act to protect and promote the welfare of all animals in the Philippines by supervising and regulating the establishment and operations of all facilities utilized for breeding, maintaining, keeping, treating, or training of all animals either as objects of trade or as household pets.
Nonetheless, despite having laws, many people disregard them. Animal testing is at the forefront of this. Animal testing refers to procedures performed on living animals for biology and disease research. It also includes evaluating the effectiveness of new medicinal products and testing the human health and environmental safety of consumer and industrial products such as cosmetics, household cleaners, food additives, pharmaceuticals, and industrial or agrochemicals. Some countries have implemented bans on the testing of certain types of consumer goods on animals. These include India, Israel, New Zealand, and Norway. It also covers the cosmetic testing bans in European Union.
Now, what is animal welfare-friendly products? Animal welfare-friendly products or cruelty-free simply means that a product and its ingredients weren't tested on animals. These businesses have verified that neither they nor their ingredient suppliers conduct, commission, or pay for any test on animals for their ingredients, formulation, or finished product anywhere in the world, and won't do so in the future. Examples of animal welfare-friendly products or cruelty-free brands like Lush, Dove, and herbal essences create new products safely by relying on modern non-animal tests in combination with existing ingredients with established history of safe use.
And lastly, what are the benefits of using animal welfare-friendly products? Number 1. These products use fewer chemicals. The chemicals used in products tested on animals are harmful not only to those who apply them on their skin, but also to the planet. These chemicals don't necessarily belong on our skin. Instead, we should opt for natural ingredients that are better around choice for humans, animals, and the planet. Number 2. Cruelty-free or animal welfare-friendly products save animals. Cruelty-free products are here to put a halt to the saddening problem of animal testing. There is no virtual reason for animal testing, but major companies like Maybelline and Avon continue to conduct these harsh tests on animals. Cruelty-free products make use of the 40 tests that have been made to the test products without involving animals. These companies use chemicals and ingredients which already declared safe. Number 3, it makes happier people. Buying cruelty-free or animal welfare-friendly products make people feel good, knowing they are supporting the rights of animals as well as helping the planet. Do something good for the planet and its lovely creature by switching to cruelty-free products. You have the power to make a difference, and using power will make you feel happy. And lastly, 4, it is budget friendly. Many cruelty brands are budget friendly. For makeup products, check brands like ELF, BH Cosmetic, or Milani.